Hey guys, Wesley with SlopePro here. We're heading over to Newport News today. We're going to install this power fan for a customer. The motor burned up in it, so we're just going to go ahead and put a new one in it. Across the James River Bridge right here. I'm going to pause the video, and once we get to the job site, I'll come back and kind of walk you through that process. Alright guys, we're here at the job site, putting on my special boots here. These are going to help keep me safe on the roof and keep us from damaging any shingles. It's got a real soft sole made specifically for this purpose. So we'll get this one laced up and we'll head up to the roof. Alright, let's go. We've got an older roof here. Customer knows he's going to be needing a new one before too long, but he wants to try to get a little bit more time out of it. So we're just going to replace his power fan for him. And right here is the culprit. Got a new one right here. Got a couple of tools. So the first thing I'm going to do, pull these shingles up around the outside and above it. And pop that fan out of there, and then we'll unhook the wiring. And I'll be back. So we've got that fan removed. The power was already disconnected because the fan had gone bad previously. So I'm going to go inside, I'm going to kill the power, make sure that power is off before I touch any wires. Then I'm going to attempt to go ahead and hook it up from the outside here so I can stay out of the attic. I'll be back. Alright, so we got the power hooked up. Went ahead and tested it, make sure it's working correctly. We're going to get this thing in place, get a couple nails in it. I'll go back inside, turn the power on, make the adjustments to the thermostat, and then I'll come back and we'll get these shingles put back on and show you how that's all done. There you have it, folks. A finished power fan with a humidistat and thermostat. A couple more dabs of sealant to put on at the bottom to cover those nails and I'll be done.